If you've ever struggled with how to get started on a new project or a campaign, whether it's for your business, your charity, or even one of your projects, then this tutorial is going to help you get going with something that's incredibly powerful and guess what? Completely free. Because today I'm going to share how to use the free version of Microsoft 365 Copilot to do some fantastic things. From coming up with ideas, writing content, posters, emails and more. And you don't need to buy anything, not even a Copilot license. Well, the only thing you do need is access to Microsoft Teams for a business account in Microsoft 365. But other than that, you're all set. But more importantly, I'm not going to tell you what this Copilot can do. I'm going to show you how to actually use it step by step. And you're going to leave this tutorial with practical skills you can use right now. And even the prompts we use are even in the video description for you to reuse and play around with. But really importantly, today's tutorial is also focused on a charitable cause. We're supporting the TeamWater campaign because we believe access to clean water changes lives. It's one of the most powerful ways to help communities around the world. So we hope you can support the TeamWater charitable cause much like we are today. So let's get started by using Copilot on the web by browsing over to m365.cloud.microsoft and sign in with your work or school account. We can immediately see in the left hand side that I'm now signed in with my work account and I have a button to upgrade my Copilot. But don't worry, we won't be doing that today because as you mentioned, using the free version of Microsoft 365 Copilot. So yes, we don't have to buy a license to be able to do everything I'm showing you today. First off, the best place we can start with Copilot is starting up a new conversation with it. What I can now do is ask Copilot that I'm going to be uploading a Word document that outlines the full details of the TeamWater campaign. To review it carefully, it's going to provide context to everything it needs to create in today's tutorial. But where is the Word document? Well, you can attach files by selecting the plus icon and either upload it directly from your own computer using this option here. Alternatively, if the file lives in your OneDrive or in a Microsoft Team or SharePoint site, select Attach Cloud Files. And my campaign summary is already in my OneDrive, so I'll now go ahead and select, bringing this into our Copilot prompt. By sending this over to Copilot, it now begins to review the content in the Word document and then begins to understand more about the campaign. And we'll come back with a summary of what it's found in the campaign itself. But let's now take it a step further, asking Copilot to come up with 5 creative fundraising ideas for our small team, ensuring they're practical and fun. And within seconds, Copilot now comes up with a few ideas. Hydration challenge, lunch and learn for a cause, desk to 5k, a water bottle decorating contest, and a drop in the bucket raffle. So we've now seen that Copilot's come up with 5 great ideas, and I want to share them with my colleagues. Does that mean we need to highlight this content and right click and select copy? No, there is a smarter way to do it. Head down to the Pages icon at the bottom of your Copilot response and select the icon and then select Edit in Pages. A new collaborative Copilot page using the underlying technology of Microsoft Loop is created for us. We can also make changes by removing the prompt and also the content Copilot added in at the top and also the bottom. With these ideas now, I need them also to be seen by my colleagues. So the best way to do that is go to the top right and select Share. Then select Copy Component. In a dialog that will now appear, we have the link copied that allows anyone in the company with this link who can make changes to it. By selecting Settings, you can override this and change the security of the link itself. But I'm quite happy that there's nothing confidential that could be accidentally shared with the wider company. So with that link copied, let's head into Microsoft Teams into our Campaign Ideas channel and simply click on Paste. And now we can see in the message box the content in our Copilot page that was all created by Copilot is now shown. So let's now add a short message above this content to also ask my colleagues on their ideas for the fundraising campaign. So with our post now submitted, we can see the message above and the content in our Copilot page is also editable by me and the team to decide which option is best for us. And there we go. We can take a Copilot output in a message and share it with your peers really easily for a Copilot page. And that's all possible using the free version of Microsoft 365 Copilot. But let's head back into Copilot and close down our Copilot page. I now got Copilot a new job. We needed to write up a new press release to announce the company is supporting the TeamWater campaign. Let's go ahead and click on the send button, and Copilot now changes and it begins to create content all around our press release for the TeamWater campaign, which you can now make changes to and share them with our colleagues. But once again, do we need to copy and paste, or could we do this in Microsoft Word? And yes, that is entirely possible. Once again, select the Editing Pages button and then Editing Pages once again. On the Copilot page that's created, go ahead and remove the content that you don't need, such as the header and also the footer. Once that's done, make some changes to your content to more closely align to your own brand and also your own company. So just to take a quick pause, I really want to share something that matters to us, because we're proud to be supporting the TeamWater campaign, which is helping bring clean water to communities that need it most. £1 or $1 for one person, 1 year of clean water. That's the difference that your donation can make. So if you're finding this tutorial helpful, or maybe one of my others, and want to do something meaningful and impactful today, I'd love for you to head to the link in the video description and donate whatever you can. Yes, even $1 or £1. And of course, I wouldn't ask you to do something that I wouldn't do. And I have made a donation to the charity and also put together this tutorial to support the charitable cause. So let's now get back into Copilot and see what else we can do. With our press release now updated, let's go ahead and look in the top right, and you'll see a button to open in Word. Go ahead and left click and then click on Open Word. When you do that, it'll create a new OneDrive for Business Word document, and inside of that is our new press release. You can now print it, save it as a PDF, or just share it with your colleagues securely. But we've now got a brand new press release created with the help of Copilot, ready to share with our clients and our peers. But yes, I know creating press releases can be pretty boring. So now let's ask Copilot to do something different. Create a new staff poster image to promote our support for the campaign, including a bold headline and also a sentence description of why it matters. Make it friendly and inspiring. Sending this into Copilot, it does something different now. It uses the information we've already shared with it early in the conversation and also that prompt, and begins to create us an image that we could reuse in any of our materials. Let's give it a few minutes to come up with a professional image. And there we go. Copilot's now come up with an image that we could reuse across our campaign. Of course, you could now make changes to it, bring in your own professional logos and more. By left clicking, the file now appears and you can download it or even add it to one of your Copilot pages. So as simple as that, Copilot's now created us a new poster for our campaign. And not only that, let's now ask Copilot to create a different poster, creating an image to outline our hydration challenge. What's interesting though is, of course, the words hydration challenge may not mean much to Copilot, but because we also discussed it earlier in the conversation, it provides an understanding, and it will now begin to build an image based on its own understanding. And there we go. Copilot's now created a new poster. And yes, I can make changes, bringing in a logo or the link on where we can also donate to. But we can see that Copilot can also create different types of content and posters just by asking the question in our free Copilot Chat experience. And now let's ask Copilot, rather than creating posters and images, to create us an internal email to share that we'll be supporting the TeamWater campaign, as well as also the hydration challenge. And there we go. We can now see an email has been drafted, which again we can make changes to. But it's pretty easy with emails to simply highlight them. We can then right click and select copy and take them into an email editor of your choice. But as simple as that, alongside the posters, the press release, we now have a formal email to be shared with our team that we can update and let them know all about the new campaign we're supporting. And finally, we know the importance of social media posts. How about we create a new LinkedIn post that announces our support for the campaign? Let's go ahead and give this prompt to Copilot to begin to create our brand new LinkedIn post that we can share on LinkedIn. We can see here it's created in seconds a professional post. So let's go ahead and copy this post. We'll head over to LinkedIn and then start a new post. And all we now need to do is go ahead and paste this in. And our LinkedIn post is now ready. But it wouldn't be a great LinkedIn post without a professional picture. So select Add Media and upload from your computer. Let's go ahead and add in the content that Copilot created earlier for us, being the poster itself. Select Next, and now there we go. A poster is now added straight into our LinkedIn post. So we're now ready to click on the Post button and to let people know, including our peers and clients, that we're supporting the TeamWater campaign with also an additional poster to support our LinkedIn post. So there you have it. We've now used the free version of Microsoft 365 to take a real campaign from an idea to execution. We've shown you how to go from a single Word document to a press release, internal comms, LinkedIn posts, and posters, all with the free version of Microsoft 365 Copilot. And you've now got skills to take this into your next project or campaign. No need to buy licenses, learn more tools, or ask your IT team for help. And please don't forget, if you'd like to support the TeamWater campaign with us and help bring clean water to the communities around the world that need it most, head to the link in the video description below and donate whatever you can. Other than that, I look forward to seeing you in the next one.